What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. My name is Jorge, and today I will be trying to show you guys how to save about $100 and do the tire pressure monitoring system Relearn on the 2014 and up Chevy SS's and other GM vehicles. Alright guys, so like I mentioned in the intro, today I'm going to help teach you guys what you have to do and what you need to be able to relearn the tire pressure monitor sensors on these wheels for a 2014 Chevy SS. So basically there's one tool that you do need to get, and you can find this anywhere. I actually got mine on Amazon, and that is this EL50448. It's a Relearn tool for GM, and this is what you're going to need. Now, once you have this tool here, what we want to do is we want to put this car into the tire monitoring system Relearn mode. So to do that, let's go ahead and get inside the car. And when you get in the car, you're going to go ahead and just, without hitting the brake, hold on the start stop button until the car systems turn on. There we go. You guys can see it turning on. So now, as you guys can see, these wheels have brand new tire pressure monitoring sensors on it, which the car does not recognize. So it's telling me service the tire monitoring system. If we go ahead and acknowledge by hitting this button here, you'll see that we're now in the tire pressure monitoring screen, which is the screen that you want to be in. You need to be in this screen here. And just as you guys can see, there's no pressures being transmitted right now. So the way that you put this car into transmit mode is very simple. You're basically going to just hold this button down until the prompt on the screen shows that, asking you if you want to go into that mode or not. So we'll hold it down, and now it's saying, are you sure that you want to relearn? And obviously, definitely we do. And to go scroll up to the yes, you have to use this up and down scroller on the indicator stock. So we scroll up and we go ahead and press down on this button. So tire learning active. Now this is where you get out of the car, and you'll notice that these lights in this corner turned on. So we've got the side blinker here, and then the blinker, and then obviously this side's not on, but you have the blinker on here. So what basically we have to do now is get our this device here, and you basically, all you got to do is put it right up against the sidewall of where your valve stem is, and then press the white button. So as you guys can see, the car beeped and the light turned off. So that means that that sensor was registered with the car. And now you kind of go walk around to the next light. So now we're on this next sensor here. This light's on, we've got the fender light on, and we're gonna do the same thing here. Just gonna put the device up next to the tire pressure monitor sensor on the sidewall and just press it down once. There we go. The car acknowledges by beeping, and then we basically go around from driver's side front all the way around the car. As you guys can see now in the back, we've got the brake light indicator, the turn signal indicator on here, and obviously off here. So now we're onto this back corner tire. So get back here, we're gonna do the same thing. Get right up against the valve stem here, press the button, and the car beeps. And once it beeps, you're done. You don't have to worry about anything. We moved on to the next tire here. And when we get back here, we're gonna do the same thing. Just press the button here, and the car beeps. And when it's all done, you hear that double honk. That means that it learned everything the way it needed. So again, like I said, this device only $20 on Amazon, very, very cheap, and will get the job done. So now when we go in here, there you go. You can see now all the sensors are reading the correct tire pressures, and looks like my left sides are less than the right side. So I'm definitely gonna want to get that taken care of. Probably bump them up to about 40 psi all around. But that's about it, guys. You can just go ahead and turn the car off, and you're done. Also, I wanted to give you guys an update here. I do have the Chevy SS center caps installed now. They actually look really good. I love the red with matching the red calipers. That's awesome. And I've also installed the spacers on the front wheels so that the tires do not rub anymore. I know I had mentioned that we were going to be I was going to do the spacers so that the tires wouldn't rub, so I've gone ahead and done that. So now it's just a matter of basically trying to maintain the car, and I might do these wheels in a different finish, but I haven't decided yet. Let me know in the comments down below. What do you guys think? Should I do a different finish? Should I try to match them and do gloss black so it can match with the center caps? That's another thing that I've been thinking about. But anyways, guys, I know this is a pretty quick video, but for those of you guys that are wanting to, you know, change your tires out but don't want that ugly tire pressure monitoring system light and warning to be on, this is how you can do it quickly yourself and swap back and forth. You don't have to go and wait at a dealership and all that stuff. Quick, basically 3-minute job. So for now, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, you know, hit that thumbs up, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't and you're new to the channel, because I do a lot of stuff with just the SS or the G8 that I have in the garage. But yeah, that's it, guys. Very easy. Hope you guys have a great time, a great day, and we're kind of, it's tough it out here in Houston again with this bipolar weather now and this freezing next week that's coming up. So stay tuned, guys. Hope you guys have a good one.